Right, right. Okay, hello folks. Right, just a test video to see how this is working. So a little pan around, and then we're going to have to make sure we're all coupled up with the voices. And a little pan. Hello. I'm just saying good morning to the next door neighbour. And there she is walking away. That's it. That's my backyard. There. Right, back to the ugly puss. Okay, so down we go. No, up we go. What a beautiful sky. What an absolutely gorgeous sky it is today. Look at that. Really fabulous. Well, we're going to start in the workshop in a minute, people. But I just want to play with the camera first of all and make sure everything's working. That's champion. Now I'm going to stop this, and then I'm going to find out exactly what's going on. I'll level that up because I want to see. Right. Wrong way. Then you back round again to the ugly puss. There you go. That's it. Right, now then. Okay. Right, we'll stop it